Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you this HDMI dongle adapter which I will be using in the UDOO x86 which you see over here. And basically the reason I am going to use this in the UDOO x86 is because the resolution when I use remote desktop software, like for example TeamViewer, the resolution is pretty low. Here I have the UDOO x86 with TeamViewer. You can see the resolution is pretty low, and that's because I do not have any monitor attached to it through HDMI or DisplayPort, because it has two DisplayPorts over here and the HDMI port over there. And basically I am going to plug this HDMI dongle into it so that I can see the display over here with a 1080p resolution. This is the item I got on Amazon. You can get this pretty cheap on Amazon. So I'm going to take it out because I use the UDOO x86 for stuff like Arduino, like you know the UDOO x86 has an Arduino 101 integrated, and I use it to make some scripts and some sketch and everything. So I really need to use the Arduino software, because I use other computers, I control all of them with TeamViewer. So I'm going to take this out. Okay, this is the HDMI dongle. Let's see if it can focus over there. There we go. You can see, shiny new. And I will be connecting it over here. And now that it is attached, there we go. You can see the resolution changed to 1080p. And that's because I attached the HDMI dongle over there. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, this is the item. You can get it on Amazon. I will have the link in the description of this video. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And with this, you can enjoy your UDOO x86 at full 1080p resolution. Thank you for watching.